नमस्कार, वेलकम टू मातृ एकेडमी। अब हम इस सीरीज़ में चैप्टर 3 की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं, जिसका टॉपिक है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, और इसके सारे शॉर्ट नोट्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ। तो लेट्स बिगिन द चैप्टर। द टर्म बायोकेमिस्ट्री वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय कार्ल न्यूबर्ग। Carbohydrates, they are the hydrates of carbon with chemical formula CxH2OY, where X is greater than equal to 3 and Y is always less than X. Carbohydrates are better defined as polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketones. They are simple derivatives and products obtained on their condensation. This definition includes deoxy sugar, amino sugar, sugar alcohols, and sugar acids. Simple carbohydrates are crystalline solid, readily soluble in water, and are called sugar since they have sweet in taste. In nature, these sugars are more widely distributed than L sugars. Carbon is an essential element for plant growth. Plants take it in the form of carbon dioxide. The most abundant monosaccharide in nature is D-glucose. The major sugar in plant is D-glucose, and in animal it is D-galactose. The plant cell wall consists mostly of polysaccharide. The question of ARS Net 2001. Cellulose is the most abundant carbohydrate, followed by chitin. Cellulose is a polymer of beta-glucose. In cellulose, D-glucose units are joined by beta-1 for glycosidic linkage. The form in which sugars are transported in plant is sucrose. Alpha D-glucose and beta D-glucose are anomers. Question of ARS. Mannose is a C2 epimer of glucose, whereas galactose is a C4 epimer of glucose. This is the important question of ICR, JRF, NET and ARS. Galactose is found in milk sugar. Lactose is composed of glucose plus galactose. Maltose is composed of glucose plus glucose. Sucrose is composed of glucose plus fructose. Asked in ICR, JRF 2001. Trehalose is composed of glucose plus glucose. It is a reducing sugar, is present in mushroom, insects, fungi, yeast and algae. The type of linkage present in trehalose is alpha 1,1 glycosidic linkage. Raffinose consists of galactose, glucose and fructose. Styrose is a tetrasaccharide whose components are glucose, fructose and 2 molecules of galactose. D-fructose or levulose is the sweetest sugar found in all the fruits. Question asked in ICR, JRF, ARS 2018 and IRI 2005. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is also known as Harden Young ester. In sucrose molecule, alpha 1,2 glycosidic linkage is there between glucose and fructose. Sucrose synthesis occurs in cytoplasm. Thaumatin is the sweetest protein obtained from Africa shrub. It is 10,000 times sweeter than sugar. ARS 2004 question. The total number of possible isomers can be determined by using Van 't Hoff rule. According to it, the compound with n-symmetric carbon atom or anomeric carbon has a maximum of 2.2 to the power n possible stereoisomers. Number of optical isomers in aldohexose or ketohexose, in which the 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. So number of optical isomers are 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. The optical isomers differing in configuration at the anomeric carbon atom are called as anomers. In stereochemistry, D and L stand for the absolute configuration. Staggered conformation is more stable than eclipsed one. D-glucose show mutation alpha D-glucose and beta D-glucose because it exists in two forms. Number of isomers in ketohexose is 16. All the monosaccharides and some oligosaccharides are capable of reducing alkaline solution of certain metal ions like copper and silver, blue to red solution, and thus are called reducing sugar. Under mild acidic condition, only monosaccharide reduce the copper ions in a short time interval and thus can be distinguished from the reducing disaccharide. Benedict test is used for reducing sugar. All monosaccharides are reducing sugar. They are reduced ferric or cupric ions. All disaccharides except for sucrose and trehalose are reducing sugar. The most common disaccharide in nature is sucrose. ICR, JRF 1995 question. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar while lactose is a reducing sugar in nature. Mutation is not given by lactose. Sucrose is a cane sugar. Sucrose is transported in plants in the form of sucrose. ICR JRF 2000 question. The cotton fiber have cellulose purely. ARS net question. In cattle, cellulose is digested by intestinal bacteria. ARS net 2001 question. The stem portion of a plant mainly contains cellulose. ICR JRF question. Inulin is a storage polysaccharide in the tuber of some plants like Dahlia and Jerusalem artichoke. Insulin is a polypeptide hormone produced by the beta cells of the isolate of Langerhans. Then the glycogen contain 8 to 10 glucose residue, alpha 1,4 glycosidic straight chain and alpha 1,6 glycosidic branch chain is present. Enzyme responsible for synthesis is glycogen phosphorylase. Glycogen is more similar to amylopectin. The substrate for glycogen synthesis in animals and sucrose synthesis in plant is UDP glucose. A glycogen molecule having 14 branches will have 14 reducing ends. Starch, the two component. In starch, two components are present, amylose and amylopectin. In amylose, alpha 1,4 glycosidic chain, water soluble, 30% starch is present. In amylopectin, alpha 1,6 glycosidic chain, water insoluble and 70% of starch are present. The type of bond present in amylose is alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond, while in amylopectin is alpha 1,6 glycosidic bond. ICR JRF 2001 question. Starch synthesis in leaf take place in both chloroplast and amyloplast. Starch is synthesized from ADP and D-glucose. Starch react with iodine to give blue color. ICR JRF 2003 question. Alpha amylase is the most industrial important enzyme obtained from Bacillus licheniformis and Bacillus amyloliquefans used in hydrolyzing starch to dextrin, extracellular and soluble. Cellulose is having beta 1,4 glycosidic bonding while starch is alpha 1,4 linkage is present. Mannitol, a sugar alcohol, is obtained from seaweeds and it is imported in kidney function test. Glucosamine, first isolated in 1875 from lobster, is the most abundant amino sugar. Chitin is a structural polysaccharide in the exoskeleton of insect and crustaceans. In chitin, it is composed of NAG residue, N-acetyl D-glucosamine residue joined together by beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. Pyridoxal phosphate is an essential cofactor in the glycogen phosphorylase reaction. Heparin is a proteoglycan similar to heparin but also have some sulfate groups. Murine is a polysaccharide. Peptidoglycan or murine is present in bacterial cell while it is heteropolymer of alternating beta 1,4 linked NAG and NAM, N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. Lysozyme is first discovered by Fleming, catalyzes the hydrolysis of beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage between NAG and NAM. Organic carbon into 1.7 is equal to organic matter. P is equal to 2.29 P2O5. 100% of organic matter has 58% of organic carbon content. Cytochrome oxidase contains copper and ferrous. IRS 2007 question. pH. The concentration of H plus is expected to be 0.1 moles per liter in 0.1 m HCl since HCl is strong fully dissociated acid. The equation, the addition of pH plus POH is equal to 14 and 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 7 is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. The concentration of pH and POH. When the pH of a solution is decreased 1 unit from 5 to 4, the hydrogen concentration has increased 10 folds from 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 4. When the pH has increased 3 levels of a unit from 6 to 6.3, the hydrogen concentration had decreased by a factor of 2, from 10 to the power 6 to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. An aqueous solution of pH 6 is diluted 1000 times with pure water. The resultant solution will have a pH of 6. pH of 0.1 m NaOH solution is 13. ICR JRF 2003 question. If the pH of a solution is 4, then it is having a hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. ICR JRF 99 question. pH of 0.001 NaCl is 11. Concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution of 0.1 m NaOH is 10 to the power minus 13. ये सारा हम जो है ये फॉर्मूला से निकाल सकते हैं क्वेश्चन. The concentration of hydrogen plus in a solution of 0.1 m NaOH is 10 to the power minus 13. The ratio of salt to acid at pH 7 for an acid with pKa 6 is 1. If pH of a solution changes from 3 to 5, then the hydrogen concentration of that solution will decreases 100 times. Effect of pH on oxygen hemoglobin equilibrium is known as Bohr effect. The most important factor which determines the chemical behavior of an element is electronic configuration. ICR JRF 2000 question. Hydrolytic reaction is irreversible in nature. Quantity of potassium sulfate required to make 100 ml of 10 micrometer potassium sulfate is 0.174 mg because the molecular weight of potassium sulfate is 174. HCl is a polar molecule. Ribose sugar is required for the synthesis of ATP. Glycogenin is a carbohydrate. The term flickering cluster has been applied to hydrogen bond with respect to water. A water molecule at room temperature forms an average of 3.4 hydrogen bonds with other water molecules. Water has usually high dielectric constant due to its polarity and capacity to form oriented solvent shell around ions. The concentration of water at 25 degrees centigrade is 55.5 m. Solubility of NaCl in water is primarily due to hydrogen bonding. These all are the short notes of carbohydrates. इसके साथ ही जो है हम ये चैप्टर 3 को शॉर्ट नोट्स को ख़त्म करते हैं. सो लेट्स ट्यून टू इट. और आप जो है वो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 4 के लिए वेट कीजिए. उसका भी वीडियो बहुत जल्दी ही डाला जाएगा. थैंक यू.